next thing wey I go like do now na to build this reference slot wey dey here. You see this reference wey dey here, na wetin I go just build now be that. Now you go see say na the same pattern we still dey follow. Yeah, so I go just go back inside my Sublime Text now talk say okay, inside my HTML I wan build that our referee to represent this referee. Now say people wey don talk say good thing about you, people wey you don work before wey don talk say nice things about you. So we go just come here talk say okay, our referee, I don paste this referee information here like this. So my referee now as e dey like this, so I get my general referee card wrapper. Now inside my referee card, because say na just two referees I wan represent, so I go get like I go get two boxes wey be two referees. So if I come back, if I switch to this layout now, you see say I get one referee here, I get another referee here, right? So I go just talk say okay, inside this wrapper I get one referee box, then I get the second referee box here. And if you check this referee, if you check this referee now, you go see say okay, under this one referee, under this first referee, I get one very small circle here, come get some other boxes here. So this circle represent the image of the referee. The first box go represent wetin the referee don talk about you, and the last one go just represent the name of the referee. So you go just come back here like this. Okay, so wetin I go just first do, first thing first, I go just first target this referee card, give am im own height. So I go come here talk say referee card wrapper. So I go just copy this information, come back here like this, talk say okay, paste. My referee card wrapper now, I wan make all the text wey dey inside am dey centralized. Na why I dey give am talk say okay, text align center, height I wan make e dey 200 pixels, the background be the color of the text wey dey inside am go be this color, border radius go be this. Now inside this referee card wrapper, inside this wrapper wey dey wrap these two boxes, we get our first box to be the referee card, right? So inside this referee card, I go just copy this one like this, come go represent am inside our CSS. Referee card, come give am im own properties. Shey you get? So I go just come back here talk say okay, paste this information, referee card. Now this information now, I just talk say okay, make that referee card, those two cards or boxes, make them be 150 px high, wey be the height, their background be transparent, the border radius be 10 pixels, width be 600 pixels, the display should be inline block because I want make them dey side by side, the margin between these two should be 2%, the border width should be 2px, the border style should be dashed. So if I save this information like this, Ctrl S, go back inside our website, come reload am. Now shey you see this image, we never do any information to this image, we never apply any attribute to am. Na why this image just dey do anyhow. Shey you get the gist? So wetin I just wan do now be say we wan come target this image wey be say e go come dey here. You dey feel am? Because we wan make e dey inside this box, so the image go dey here. Wetin I go just do now be say we go just go target that image now. So we go come resize the image. Now you go see say inside this first referee box, we get the paragraph, we get the image now, and we get the name of the referee, then the position of the referee, or say the portfolio of the referee. But now we wan target that image because na the image dey give us na im dey give us stress now, say we gats resize am. So I go just come back inside my CSS file like this, come paste the code wey I don copy. So I just talk say okay, now the border radius of our image, I wan make e be 200%. I wan make e be 200 pixels. Shey you get the gist? So that one go come curve, make am be like round. Shey you get the gist? So the height, I wan make e be 50 pixels. The width, I wan make e be 50 pixels, and I wan make e float to the left. Why do I want it to float to the left? Be say I want it to be here. shey you dey get the gist. Instead of this middle now, I wan make e dey here. You dey feel the idea? And I wan make e small, come get make e come dey rounded. So na why I come give am all these attributes so. So this one go make am dey rounded, this height and width go make am small, this one go make am float to the go make am this one go make am float to the left. So if I save this information like this, come back inside our website, come reload am, shey you see am? Shey you see say this information as e dey like this, e don bam. But e never come bam finish because we want this to float to the right. So we gats go target this one sef as e dey like this, wey be, make I say the class wey I give am inside here like this. So the class na referee status. Right. Wetin I come do be say I put both referee status and the referee's name to be inside the same paragraph tag. I come use this break element take break am into two. So na just this paragraph tag I need target. You dey feel me? So I just talk say okay, referee status here, right? So I go just come back inside my CSS, talk say okay, referee status. So if I just copy this, come back here, talk say okay, referee status control V. Now I wan make e float to the right. So I go just save this file, come back inside our website, come reload am. Shey you see am? So basically, we don represent the information of our referee like this. So if we just scroll up like this again, now our website is not looking too bad. So wetin we go just do now be say this last one wey be contact, na im we go just represent. So I go just copy this information here wey dey here like this, talk say okay, we get our footer now, just talk say okay, Control C, then come paste am here. So if I come inside I code in pidgin.html file now, I will just talk say okay, Control V. So this is the wrapper div for this footer wey get this get in touch with me quickly. This one wey dey here inside this our template. So we wan represent name, email, this text area, then there is a send button here. Na wetin we just wan represent be that. So we just talk say okay, so we get this our general wrapper here. Inside our general wrapper we get this one. I wan divide am into two. Then we get our contact form on the left hand side, we get our media on the right hand side, right? So if I save this information as e dey like this, go back inside our browser, come reload our website. Shey you see? Now this information is not looking too good because we never style am inside our CSS, right? So wetin I go just do be say I go just go back inside our Sublime Text. So inside my CSS file now, I go just talk say okay, I wan style this dot footer class. This dot footer class wey dey here, wey be the general wrapper. So I go just come back here, talk say okay, now this dot footer wey I just paste in here, so I go talk say okay, the text align, the text wey go dey inside na okay, center, make everything be centralized. Now the height go be 500 pixels, margin top go be 2 pixels, margin go be 2%. Shey you dey feel am? The next information wey I go like target now na the contact form. Now because the contact form na im dey left, so I have my contact form class here. So I go just go back inside my CSS. Now inside my CSS now, I go just paste this code and come explain am. So I talk say make my contact form be 250 pixels, the background go be transparent, the border radius go be 10 pixels, the width go be 600, the display sef go be inline block, and the margin go be 2%. So I go save this information like this, go back inside our website, come reload am. You fit never see the reflection of this thing wey we do now, but e go still make sense. Just chillax 1 second. So the next one wey I wan do now na the input field. Now you go see say inside our HTML, inside this our HTML file, we get input field wey be say we dey use dey input text, shey you see am, email, the text area, then we get our send button. So we don so wetin I do be say I don give this my I don give this class, this input class, to inside this input, this text input, email input, and the text area. So I go just talk say okay, come here like this, Control C, and inside my CSS file I go just talk say okay, I wan manipulate that input. I go just talk say okay, input, make I just align this one well well. So I go just talk say okay, input, this input na I wan make the width be 100%, the margin I want it to be the padding now I wan make the padding be 12 by 20. So the margin also I want it to be these values. Then display I want it to be inline block. The border I want it to be this. The border radius, yes, and the box sizing I want it to be border box. So I go just save this file like this, come back inside my inside our browser, come reload am. Shey you see say boom, we don get this information like this. Shey you get? Shey you see? Now our box is now looking very nice and awesome. But we get this scent wey dey here wey we gats style. Shey you dey feel am? So I go just talk say okay, come back here. Now come back inside our Sublime Text. Now this send button wey dey here, wey be say if people click am e go send that information to you, right? So I go just talk say okay, the send button go just be something very simple and straightforward. So send button, the padding go be 15 pixels, background go be green, font weight go be bold, color go be white smoke. Okay, I no like green here, I wan make e just be like this color wey we don dey use since. Okay, I think it's this color, I'm not too sure, but let me just represent this color here first. So I go save this file, come back inside our website, reload am. Now shey you see, not this color, so I go just come back to this color picker, then not too sure. Then I go just copy this one. I think I like this color, so I go just copy this color like this, come back here, talk say okay, make I just give am this color, right? What's this? Okay, so make I just give am this color, Ctrl V. Yeah, so I go save this file, come back here, then reload our website. Yeah, this, I think this is really nice now. Now the way wey I dey see this text area, e come small. I want at least my text area to be at least e should be this big. Shey you understand? So wetin I go just do be say I go just increase the height of that text area. So I go just talk say okay, text area, my CSS file, I go just talk say text area, the height should be 255 pixels. So I go save this information like this, come back inside our website, reload our website, so we get our text area now, which is as wide as shey you see am. So if I reload am again, you see am say we don get our text area to be wide. Now wetin I wan target na this media. Shey you dey feel me? This media wey dey here, because so na the second box for inside our footer wrapper be that. Shey you dey feel me? So I go just talk say this target now, this media now, we just copy the code, come back inside my CSS file, come here, represent am there. Then I go just save this file, go back inside our website, come go reload am. Now shey you see say our text area, our contact form don shift to this left, and the other information go dey here. Na these two images wey go show for here be this one. The reason wey e no dey display these two images be say we never get am inside our folder. Shey you get the idea? So wetin I go just do now be say I wan change the color of this send into something very logical. This black is not making sense in here. So wetin I go just do be say I go just come back inside my Sublime Text. Now inside my Sublime Text now, come back inside my HTML file, right? Then I have this send class inside this anchor tag wey get this send. Shey you dey feel am? So I go just copy this send command, this send code, then I go come back inside my CSS file, talk say okay, the font weight I wan make e bold, the color I wan make e be white smoke. So I go just save this file, come back inside our website, come reload am. White is not looking very good here, so what color can I change this to now? Green, not too sure. I like green basically. So if I reload this file, okay, this makes sense, this green makes sense. So the next thing wey I go like do now be say if I come back inside my uh HTML file now, so inside this HTML file now, you see say we get one image here wey be clap.ng, and we get another image here wey be vic.ng. Shey you get am? So I go just come back inside this my folder here, inside my desktop. I think I got this. Then I got this Vic and clap. So I could just copy these two pictures, then come back inside my desktop, code in pidgin this one, then paste these two pictures here. Then I will just come back inside my browser here, reload our website. Now we got these two pictures. So wetin I go just do be say this clap now wey I don give as classes, wey I don give as class, so I go just come back here talk say okay, Ctrl C, then I go just talk say okay, inside my CSS file like this, come here, come paste that information here. So I get my height to be 150 pixels, my width to be 150 pixels, then I wan make e float to the left. So I will save this file like this, come back here, inside our website, come reload am. Shey you see? Awesome. So we get this information down like this. But I no wan make this Victor sef come float to the left. I wan make this Victor float to the right here. So wetin I go just do be say instead of this Victor, instead of this Vic image sharing in this class property, I go just talk say make e be Vic-img. So inside this Vic-img, I go just copy this one like this, Ctrl C. So come back inside my CSS file, do like this, dot Ctrl V, then do like this, then talk say make e get exactly the same attribute wey this one get, just that e go come float to the right. So I go save this information like this, save this information also, come back inside our website, reload am. Shey you see? So I just use these two pictures to take design this other empty space wey dey inside our website. So imagine our website now is now looking very awesome and nice. The thing wey I dey see inside this logo now be say I no wan make this logo sef come get the same size with these other links. I go like just put some simple design inside this logo wey dey here like this. So I go just talk say okay, so if I just come back inside my Sublime Text here, now if I scroll up, now I get my logo here, but you see this L, so I go just talk say I wan put that L inside span. And remember say span na inline level element wey dey always dey side by side. So I go just talk say span. So this span now I go just put the L here. You dey feel me? So I go just save this information like this, come back here inside our website, reload am, nothing go change whatsoever. Shey you see am? So we never do anything. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just target this span. So any design wey I apply to this span, you go just apply only to this L, because na only this L dey inside the span. Shey you get the idea? Right. So I go just talk say okay, span. So I go increase the, make I just go up where logo dey, be like say okay, e go dey around here. So I go just talk say span. The font size na 25 pixels, the color go be this one. So if I save this information like this, go back inside our website, come reload am. Shey you see say that L come dey big. shey you see am. I no too feel dis colour, so I wan manipulate am. I go just talk say okay, come back inside my information here. I go just talk say okay, okay, make I just come here, come pick one colour wey go make sense. So be like say dis I no too sure. I dey very very horrible at picking colour. So dis colour now, I go just pick dis one like dat. So come back here, talk say okay, um just paste am here like dis. Den I go wan like say make I give am say font weight dey bold. So if I save dis file like dis, come back inside our website, come reload am, shey you see. Dat colour e come e come almost wan resemble black. I go change am back, no worries. I go just talk say okay, come back here. Okay, e be like say dis one wan fresh, so I go just copy dis one like dis, come back here inside our CSS file, come change the colour wey dey here. Ctrl V, Ctrl S, come back here, reload our website. Yeah, not too bad now. Shey you see now say we don get our logo here. So wetin I go just do now be say I wan make dis our logo still get some kind special design. So I go just talk say okay, I go like apply dis text shadow. So if I come back inside there, so I go just talk say okay, text shadow, Ctrl C, um what I doing? So I go just talk say text shadow. If I copy dis text shadow now, come back inside our span, come back here, paste am here. So I go save dis file like dis, come back inside our website, reload am. So I go make the code of dis website take available in the comment section. So in case you want to copy anything in dis website, so e go just easy for you to follow along. So as e be say we don build our first project for inside dis YouTube channel, so na so e go be for inside dis video. I go see you for the next tutorial.